So this procedure in one sitting can take care of double chin and can reduce the bulk in the upper neck or under the chin area and also provide better jawline definition. Dear friends, I am Dr. B.K. Garg. I am plastic and cosmetic surgeon practicing in New Delhi and Gurugram. In today's video, I will be discussing the procedure of liposuction of double chin and upper neck area. Many of you have been asking me questions regarding this procedure. In today's video, I will discuss who is the right candidate for this procedure and what are the benefits and how this procedure is performed. I hope you will find this video useful. Liposuction of double chin and upper neck area is performed mainly for three reasons. Many of you may have bulkiness in lower face, particularly under the chin or maybe in the upper neck. So liposuction of this area provides us better facial balance by taking out fat and bulk from this area. Second reason can be to get rid of double chin proper, or few people only have double chin or small collection of fat right under their chin. So this procedure takes care of that without any incisions or scars. And third reason, or the third benefit of this procedure, is that it can provide, when extended laterally or on the outer margins of face, this procedure provides better jaw definition and gives you well contoured look on the face. So this procedure in one sitting can take care of double chin and can reduce the bulk in the upper neck or under the chin area and also provide better jawline definition. Dear friends, we perform this procedure by micro liposuction method. At Iconic Clinic, we have devised micro liposuction technique in which we use very fine instrumentation, which is usually 1 to 2 millimeter in size. By using these small fine bore instruments, we are able to achieve contouring of upper neck and the under chin area without leaving any visible scars. Apart from that, most of the times you will have no stitch whatsoever. This allows us to provide you a procedure which provides a lot of cosmetic benefit and no scarring. Apart from that, because of our very fine instrumentation, healing is faster and swelling is less and bruising is minimal. Because of this method or this particular technique, you have faster healing and recovery, leading to very little downtime. So this procedure further can be performed under local anesthesia if being performed alone, or sometimes along with other procedures, it is performed under general anesthesia. So this is a simple procedure, usually takes 20 to 30 minutes to perform, and it can enhance appearance of your face greatly. We generally perform this procedure under local anesthesia or under general anesthesia if it is combined with other procedures. In this procedure, we make a small nick, 1 millimeter or 2 millimeter incision right under your chin, and maybe one more or two more small incisions which are just 2 millimeter in size under your jawline. Through these small incisions, we introduce tumescent fluid under your neck and under your chin, which helps us making the fat loose and soft. After that, through same incisions using exceptionally fine bore cannulas, we suck out fat and bulkiness which is extending under your chin and upper neck. So this procedure usually takes 20 to 30 minutes to perform, and post procedure you can be sent home. Recovery can take up to 5 to 7 days, in which there can be initially some swelling, which usually settles by 7 to 10 days. There can be mild bruising also. This small procedure can be extremely gratifying and can provide you better facial contour in a very simple and straightforward manner. I hope all of you found this video useful. If you have still more queries, please feel free to reach us on YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook. We'll be very happy to help you. And please also do not forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest information on various other cosmetic surgery issues. Thank you very much.